Want to transform your tales from snooze fest to sensation? You're in the right place. Step 1. Choose a story. It could be anything. From a childhood memory to a classic fable, select one that genuinely interests you, because your passion will be contagious. Now, think about what kind of feelings the story evokes. Do some research on the story if you like. Step 2. Spice up delivery. Instead of simply reading, use your voice. Vary your tone, speed, and volume to create suspense, excitement, and humor. Add facial expressions and gestures, really act it out. Your body language should match the story's mood. Step 3. Master the structure. Start with a hook, a compelling opening that grabs your audience's attention. Immediately build suspense through the body of the story, and then make things interesting. The story should have a clear beginning, middle, and end. Keep things concise when you are telling the story, but make sure the story still makes sense. Step 4. Craft compelling details. Help the listeners envision the scene. Use vivid imagery, engaging characterizations, and sensory details. What do they see, hear, smell, taste, and feel? Add conflict and make it interesting to listen to. And there you have it. With practice, you'll be a master storyteller in no time. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on storytelling and public speaking. Happy retelling.